Hey, would you like to build a pull brand than a push brand with no experience with a low cost investment? Pull brand is built on a magnetic strategies, which in long run doesn't require to invest time, energy and money. Push brand is something which whatever you do, it needs a consistent action on that. There are different types of businesses that could be manufacturing tangible or intangible products and selling online or offline or both to the end users or business to business or to the both. Here I am talking about a proven innovative business model called a non-disruptive customer funded business model with a lean startup principle. Companies like Alibaba, Amazon, Apple, Ola, Uber to Oyo Rooms to Netflix to lot many have built on same business models. I too did the same and I'm doing same for my clients and mentees too. You too can apply the same in any of your businesses. I'm offering a free personalized one-to-one results coaching strategy session over the phone. No matter you could be a startup or an established company stuck in the competition and unable to move to the open water, maybe with a weak leadership or due to different circumstances, and looking for right strategies, principles, methods, systems and processes to transform your aspiration into action and turn your intention into reality, then I can help you with the right roadmap, blueprint and a solid game plan that can shift your perspective and helps you build a profitable and scalable business with a sustainable organic growth. So what are you waiting for? Right now, click on book now, fill in the details and submit to schedule a call. Do it right now in this moment to build, grow and scale your business. See you over the call. Thank you and be awesome. This is all HARSHZAD here, retail design leadership consultant, business coach helping small medium businesses win.